Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this is kind of a different setup than normal. Basically, we're just flipped around like this. I'm on my bed right now, my painting. Anyways, I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I haven't actually had a computer that I really edit on because my computer didn't have it, but I got a computer that has iMovie. So, we can edit again, kids. So, I really didn't feel like filming a video today, but I told myself if I'm not going to film a video today, there's no way I'm going to tomorrow. So, that means that there's not a video coming out in a long time. At least another week. So, I guess not that long. But I decided I'll do a night routine for like my weekend nights. These are my night routines for when I'm not hanging out with my friends. So yeah. Also, I'm sorry I haven't been really active. And go follow my Instagram. It is official Claire Marie. Sorry, I keep closing my eyes. I'm really tired and this light is very bright. Hold on, I'm turning it down a little bit. Okay, that's better. It's more realistic. Okay, at official Claire Marie to get more updates because that's where I post basically everything. Like if I don't upload in a while, you'll get like know why and like all the updates on that. So go follow my Instagram because I just have bomb, stories. That's when I do like a lot of my first impressions on products. So yeah, go follow me. I'll have it on the screen. Okay, let's get into this video because I'm tired and I want to go to bed. Okay, so today is Saturday. I'm currently just watching YouTube on my computer. This is a MacBook Pro. Not sponsored, but I mean, if you want to sponsor me, my business email is in the description box down below. Currently it is 9:04 p.m. Basically, I'll sum up what I've done today, or like this afternoon, I guess. So, actually, all I did was good. I went to dinner. Well, before that, I was watching YouTube, playing Fortnite for from 3 to 4ish, and then from 4 to 4:30, I don't even know what I was doing, just messing around. 4 to 5, I was YouTube playing Fortnite because I'm a gamer. And then I went to dinner with my parents, and then I came back home. I watched some YouTube, tried to get a little bit of homework done because Sundays are usually pretty busy for me, so I knew that if I had a lot of homework, I wouldn't be able to do it, hence why I'm filming today, and I can't film tomorrow. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. Like I said, it's 9:06 now, and I'm just chilling in my room. I don't really do anything. Oh yeah, I'm also wearing my Seaside sweatshirts that I got in Seaside. Oh my gosh, that actually was the dumbest thing I've ever said. I got it in Seaside. I know, shocker. So basic. Oh my gosh. Also, ignore my crusty dusty nails. They're crusty dusty dinosaurs over here. They're chipping, and then I have a bad habit of peeling them off, and then that kills my nails even more. So we need to get these figured out. But until then, yeah, we're just gonna kind of do a vlog-ish style thing. So let's get into this. Okay, ignore my makeup, and I kind of look like a mess. I'm currently trying to edit this video, and I realized that I needed to do kind of a bit of an update. So that's what this is gonna be, this quick clip. Basically, I don't have an intro yet, an intro screen. That's hopefully coming soon. I also am changing the video editor program soon. So yeah, if you have any recommendations other than Final Cut Pro, because that is expensive, I'm thinking Adobe, but if you have any other suggestions, comment those down below. And also, if you're really good at making screens and stuff, like intro screens and stuff, and you want to work with me, great. I would love to give you a shout out if you would make me one. Email me. My business email will be in the description box down below. So if you want to email me anything about anything business related, let's pretend I didn't just push record just so I could jump in and seem like I'm a, relatable YouTuber. I'm working on my authenticity. Wow, I just used a big word. Proud of myself. But sometimes it's hard for me to communicate with the camera because, oh my gosh, it's so cold in my room. Whatever. But sometimes it's hard to communicate with my camera and be who I actually am and like be energetic, because I'm like, I feed off of people's energy, so like they're like hyped up, you know, like I like make jokes and more fun. So like I'm working on it, and I feel like this vlog, or this video I guess, is going good so far. I mean, I'm also ranting a lot, and this video is already like 6 minutes long of footage, and we're literally haven't even started. But anyways, I have my micellar cleansing water and my cotton pads. So I just take one of these, and my makeup is basically already off. I have been having really bad allergies, so once I got home, I basically just itched my mascara off. So don't recommend that, but we're still going to make sure that anything left on is now off. And then I will take a shower, but no, I'll show you like my night routine, I guess. What do I do? Oh, I just basically watched YouTube, and I feel like I usually hang out with a friend either Friday or Saturday night. I feel like I don't hang out with people both nights. So like this is kind of like a Friday or Saturday night vlog. Okay guys, so we are in my bathroom currently, and I'm just going to show you all the products that I use. Okay, yeah, no, my room's clean. I was just making sure. Anyways, so I'm going to show you all the products that I use, like for my skincare and stuff, but I'll do it in the shower, so I'm just going to show you guys in advance. Sorry, I'm like literally like in your face, like come at me, bruh. Anyways, that was so cringy, holy crap. At night, I usually just use this Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleansing Face Wash. And I usually just use this in the shower. And then I'll go get my shampoo and conditioner. It's nothing special, but I'll get it. Okay, so I have the Aussie Volume shampoo. And then we have Suave Damage Repair Conditioner. So these are my hair products. I'll be back. And then I have an entire after the shower routine. So I'm going to take a quick shower. Okay guys, so my next step would be using this Cetaphil face and body moisturizer. And I would put this on my legs normally, but I already have. So next I'm just gonna put it on my face. Anyways, next I take my towel off my hair. And I only wash my hair about every other day. And then I take my Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner right here, and I just spray it all around my hair. And then what I normally do is just like kind of zhuzh, I guess you could say it in. And then I just put it in a bun, and then I let it stay like that overnight, so that when I wake up, my hair is still wet, because my hair dries so fast, which is like I'm very thankful for. So like it just makes it so much easier in the morning to work with, because if I keep it in a bun, it will stay wet until morning, and then I can just brush it out, and then it's just nice and smooth, and it ends up being straighter than if I like let it dry tonight. So that's what I like to do. Okay guys, so I use the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm, Natural Mint, and Shea Butter. This one, I actually heard of this first from Jackie Aina, and she's a makeup artist if you know. I'll link her channel down below. But one time I was like, oh, I want to try that, and then one time I got it as a free sample at Ulta, so I was like, perfect, and then I fell in love with it. So then now I just like love it. Also, I'll put the links to all of these like products down below. But I love this lip balm in general, just because I'm not a huge fan of like mint lip balms, because I feel like it like burns. But this one doesn't burn at all. It feels so good. And also it like keeps my lips moisturized all day, whereas I usually have to like normal chapstick, I feel like you have to reapply and keep reapplying throughout the day, whereas this I just don't. And my lips are usually like moisturized the entire day. So totally recommend this. Again, this is the Jack Black, Intense Therapy Lip Balm, Natural Mint, and Shea Butter. I know that there are other, I don't even know what I'm trying to think of. Like, it's not shades, it's not flavors, it's like, I don't know, there's other, like you can get like, just like a really minty one, I don't even know. But there's other options of the same chapstick, but different like scents, I guess. I don't know. I can't really think right now. I am currently back in my bed. As you can see, I'm kind of lazy when it comes towards night. It is actually, hold on, it's 9:41. So like that's not bad for like taking a shower and like doing my entire night routine basically. So I'm actually probably gonna start editing this video so that I'm slightly productive, watch some YouTube, and yeah, and then I will like come and talk to you guys again if I do anything else. My room is so freaking cold. I'm sorry, this probably is like a really boring video, like low-key. I don't really do anything. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay guys, so I'm actually kind of doing this vlog style, but currently I am watching YouTube. I just realized that I didn't have iMovie already downloaded on my computer, so I'm downloading it right now, and then we are gonna edit this. It is 9:57, so yeah, I'm just watching YouTube until it downloads. That's the word. Oh gosh, my brain is not working, and it's literally only 10. Okay, well, bye guys. So I am on my computer. I will put it here. Yeah, we are opening iMovie currently, and I might just do a time lapse of video. I'm like so cold, holy crap. Okay, of me editing my video. So yeah, I'll probably just take a time lapse because that will be the easiest way to do it, and I can still look artsy, and I can still listen to music and not get copyrighted. Also, sorry if I look like an idiot, I'm freezing. Current update on the time, it is 10:24. I'm really hoping that this decides to work soon because I really want to like get this video basically all edited tonight. But that's not gonna happen already, so. But that's okay, hopefully we can get at least half of it done-ish. Or at least, I just want it all imported, honestly. That's my only goal, get it all imported. Because currently it's like 20 minutes long already, I think. Wait, hold on. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, that's... Yeah, it's already like 18 minutes long. And that's just like roughly. So yeah, we have kind of a lot to do. And then this clip's already 1:50, so. Hey guys, I'm editing this video and I just realized that I didn't end up filming an outro for it, so here's my outro. Yes, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt. Also, when I filmed this, it was like May 4th. It's like May 28th now, so sorry it's been like forever. It's like taken me like 2 weeks, so sorry for that one. But this is my outro for this video. I love you guys so much. Please comment down any video suggestions you guys might have. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was a little boring. And sorry I was very happy. I love you guys so much. Bye.